how to turn on or turn off end-to-end encryption on Fiverr. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you turn off follow request on your Instagram account. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open Instagram app with your account. Alright, so once you open the Instagram app with your account, you'll got such interface. So from here, you'll have to tap on your profile icon just at the bottom right corner. And now from here, tap on three line just at the top right corner. Okay, so from the setting and activity, you'll have to scroll down and go with the options like account privacy. Okay, so from here, you can easily convert or switch your account to the private account. So after you make your account private, your profile and post can be seen by anyone if they have not followed you on Instagram. So you can make it from here. And now after you done this, you'll have to just back from there, and in the source field you'll have to type for notification. Alright, so simply tap on this notification. Alright, so now from this notification section you'll have to go with the options like following and followers, so simply tap on this. Alright, so from this section you'll be able to turn on or turn off the notification for the followers, so simply you can turn off this from here. Alright, so after you done this from here, you'll be able to turn off the all of the notification for your Instagram follow requests. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.